John Perry, Clever Property Management. I'm going to keep my sunglasses on today because it's concrete pouring, but I wanted to take a quick moment and show you, if you've ever wondered how a foundation is poured on the side of a hill, there's a couple of steps to it. You've got all of your rebar here is set, tied off, and when they say they're tying off rebar, they actually take these little clips here of wire and tie them off. You've got all your rebar in, and then up high you've got your concrete truck. Concrete truck pulls up to what's called a pump trailer, and then that pump trailer catches the concrete, brings it down this hose, and boom, in. And the guys are there just softening it, making sure it looks nicely laid, like nice flat concrete. Then what happens next is the forms that are on site up here get set up on these pieces of rebar that will be extended up, and those will be your walls. So there'll be a wall here. Where I'm standing is going to be a floor, and there'll be a wall down there brought up. That's the concrete pour so far. So I wanted to bring you that update. Remember, if you don't know what you're doing, be clever. Ask a professional.